I will show you how I got into the trade and how I got out. So it's very easy. Just make sure you stay tuned to the video. So if you're a new subscriber, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you follow for more video like this. Let's go to the daily time frame. So let me clear everything I have to chart. So we have high, low. So you know I'm a fan of market structure, which is high, low, high, low, high. I'm a fan of market structure. So what are we having currently on the daily time frame? We have this high, low, higher, high. So obviously we'll be having obviously we'll have higher high, then higher low for another higher high. This is what I'm targeting on EURUSD. So let's clear the chart again. So this will be a downtrend because if you have something like this, higher high, higher low, higher high, so the higher low will be created like this. There will be an inner structure which will be downtrend. So that's what I'm looking for in the first place. But I saw some things, that's why I took the sell on EURUSD. So let's go to this is the daily time frame. This is a 4-hour time frame. This is how it looks like. So let's go to the 2-hour time frame. As you can see on the 2-hour time frame, we're having something like this on the 2-hour time frame, which is high, low, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. So here we will having this is a brick of structure. So this is where I entered the trade. Let me show you why I entered the trade. After seeing a lot of brick of structure on EURUSD, I have so around this place I want to take a buy, but I don't see any brick of structure to the upside. So this is a clear downtrend. After I see this structure got broken, I wait for this correction. So you have to go to the 5 minutes, 15 minutes or 30 minutes for this correction that happened here. So I did the same. I went to the 15 minutes time frame. You can go to the 30-minute time frame for a clear picture. So on the 15-minute time frame, you see we're having a high, low, high, low, high, low, and high. So during around 3 o'clock, I saw a brick of structure to the downside, which that is where I enter my trade. This is a brick of structure to the downside. So I know obviously the downtrend has begun back. They have resumed downtrend. So I placed my trade here when this structure got broken, and I sell above it, and then I target this line in the first place. But I don't set TP. This is my initial target. But as you know, I love price action. So around that time, there's a good price action, and if market is giving you a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, market does not reverse back to give you equal low. Is looking for a way to give you lower low, not an equal low. Is looking for a way to give you lower low. So get this, market is not going to give you lower low and then change. That Why does market give us the confirmation that the trend is about to continue? Because it's want to give us another lower low for another higher high. So I scale out to the daily time frame and I mark out where the buyers are. So this is where the buyers are at. On the 4 hour, this is where the buyer are at. So initially, market like buyers are in this zone. So I don't close my trade as soon as I saw the market enter, because markets may still break that place. But I wait for price action to give me confirmation that buyers are already in market. So this is the price action I use to move it to close my trade, which is this space. As you can see, this is red candle. This is an engulfing candle. Like this is 2 hours engulf candle, which gives me the knowledge and which gives me the sign that market is about to change to an uptrend for a short period of time. It may be short period and it may be long period, but this is a sign for me that you have to close your trade now, because this is an engulf candle that the buyers are in the market now. So I close my trade at this place. I see this engulf candle, I close my trade around the size, which is about 1:4.8. So that's how I make easy money on EURUSD. So if you enjoy watching the video, make sure you subscribe, share some with your family. I will be dropping some market analysis on this channel. So see you in the next video.